A very quick one. I'm not here to judge Paul NWOKEOCHA. I know some people are saying the first marriage fell, the second one fell, even the third one we fail. I'm not here to judge. But I will play you a video of Paul NWOKEOCHA. Then you, as an analyst, give many analyzing. Many analyze it very well. Even if such a thing happened, according to Paul NWOKEOCHA, you know? So at times, before when such a thing happens, you got to the taproot of the problem, got to the taproot of whatever happened. Probably things that happen like that must have a reason for happening. And probably you will say that no matter what the reason might be, such a thing shouldn't have happened. I'm not here to judge. I'm not here to judge. But I want you to watch the video. After watching the video, just give us your own thought about the whole thing. Remember, Paul NWOKEOCHA. Also no Olujuole. Fine, Olujuole. Oh yeah, the video. Come up.
Greetings to you all, my friends and well-wishers. Thank you so much. My name still remains Paul NWOKEOCHA, the minister of the gospel through songs. I have heard so many people talk about my marital problems on social media. And I want to tell you something. If I marry today and find out that the wife I married is doing an abominable thing before God and before man, I will send you out of my house. Hear me again. If I marry someone today and find out that the person I married is doing an abominable thing before God and before man, I will send you out of my house without any apology. Ine mi ihe Chineke sọrọ nsọ, ihe mmadụ sọrọ nsọ, ị ga-apụ n'ụlọ m na agaghị ebi. How will you feel, you that is talking and showing pity on her? How will you feel if the woman...
So, what is your view? What is your opinion? You know, comment on the comment section. Yeah, another video. Thank you very much.